Hi, Keira from Anton here. Welcome to our Teacher Series where we will show you everything a teacher needs to know about Anton. Now that you've made your first group, I'm going to show you how to add your students if your school does not have an Anton school license. Once you're inside the program, find the navigation bar on the top and select Groups. Now to start adding your students, you will find the Members tab right below your group name. As you can see, right now I'm the only member of this group and my name appears under Teachers. To add students, in the top right corner, you will click Add plus New. I can now add a student or a teacher, and we will ignore the school directory button for now. I select Student. At the top of the screen, you can see the words Prepare Student Code. We are now preparing accounts for your students, and each student will be assigned a unique code that they will be able to use to log in. If you remember from making your own account, you also received an 8-digit code. For now, let's assume that you will want to create a classroom with more than one student. So I will check Create Multiple Students. Now I will enter my first student's name. You can use first names or nicknames. This is up to you. I'm going to enter a few names here. After I finish typing a name, I will select Create. After selecting Create, a banner will appear at the top letting you know that you are successful, which says you have prepared a login code for and the student's name. Let's add a few more. I'll also add Luke, Taylor, Elena, and Chris. For now, I've added all the names that I want, so I will select Close in the top left corner. I can now see all of the names of the students I have just added under the Members tab of my group page. The avatars are currently gray and say Prepared. This means that the students can now access their newly created accounts with the login code that you just prepared. To access these login codes, navigate back up to the right-hand corner and this time select Print. A page is then generated with all the accounts that I just prepared. Each student has their own QR code and login code, either of which can be used to log into their account for the first time. If your student has a device that allows them to scan QR codes, they can scan from the app to be led directly to the group. Alternatively, each of your students can enter the 8-digit login code. And that's it for this tutorial. Subscribe to see more step-by-step videos on how to use Anton. I hope this has been helpful. Bye!